We back, get it out the mud 901. So Kemi Moto reached out to me, said they wanted to send me a couple products to test out, try out, unbox, put them on the Ranger, see what they look like, how they install, and if it's worth getting. We have a mesh windshield, which I think is pretty cool. I'll break down some of the reasons why, but we're gonna get right into it, pull the Ranger up out the garage, and get it on and get it popping, baby. So let's unbox this mesh windshield, or shall I say unbag it. So here we go. The Kemi Moto mesh windshield for the 2021 Polaris Ranger. Some clips, of course the instructions, pretty straightforward, and there's a mesh windshield. Never seen a mesh windshield. Alright, let's get it popping, get it installed. Well, as you can see, I'm doing some upgrades to the Ranger, so she's kind of taken apart a little bit. Anybody guess what we're fixing to do here? Windshield out, rear windshield out, all the electronics stripped out that I had, speaker. Yeah, fixing to do something big though, and on our own. Now, let's see if we can just figure this out on our own here, not even look at these instructions. So we got the clip pins. I see where they go. So here's where our pins are gonna go, so the windshield would pin down in there. That's nice. Well, let's get it on. We're gonna have to step up on these tires, get up here. I think we can just kind of roll with this, probably figure it out. Just kind of get it tacked up. Easy with our little, luckily I had the roof off and didn't have to take my roof off, so you just got these Velcro straps that go around. If you have your roof, it'll be a little harder to get this installed if you have a roof, but you can always cut you some little slits in there or something. So far so good. Looks like our side mirrors are gonna be in the way. Ah, look, we'll just slide that up because I don't have it tightened like I should. That's my fault. And we need a little slack here. I'm gonna keep that loose because we want to use this to the best of ability and put our pins in there, which is going to be pretty cool. Alright, move on to the next one. I'm going to leave it loose for now. We're probably going to have to do some adjustments. Oh, she's sitting up a little high. Not that easy to get to. Crawl up on that bad boy. Go under and over. Like I said, we're gonna leave that loose. We're gonna do this in real time here. see how long it takes to install this windshield. The mesh windshield. It's pretty crazy. The mesh windshield. I can think of some reasons this will be useful. We always got that one guy in the group that would take that off. Hey man, we beat these bad boys up. We always got that one guy in the group that wants to rooster tail everybody. I ain't gonna name no names. You know who you are, sucker. And that's gonna clip on, pin right through there. We might be able to use our factory pins here, and that's what we're going to shoot for. And then that way we have extra pins that came with it. And that one's deep down there, so yeah, I'm gonna be digging this. So let's just grab us something to pop these pins out. I don't have my pin puller tool. Probably lost it not long after purchasing my Ranger. And it's times like these I wish I'd have kept up with my stuff. I'm not using instructions. Am I wrong? It's pretty basic. That's how easy of an install this is. I'm just seeing if we need to. Yep, that's how you're gonna do that. That is pretty sweet. So you just pull the pin out, replace the pin. Now we got all our pins in, as you can see right here. Now we're gonna go up here and just tighten that down. Take the slack out of it. Take some slack out of the sides here. Tighten that down. Go to the other side, do the same thing. Tighten that. Tighten that. Tighten that on down. And tighten that on down. And there you have your mesh windshield. It's pretty cool. I mean, I can see that coming in handy. Still totally functionable. You can see out of it perfectly, as you can tell. I mean, it doesn't hinder any vision at all. Summer riding, you know, bugs coming in, throw this up at night if you ain't already got it on. Keep people from rooster tailing your eyeballs. Let's go for a little ride. I'm curious how loud this exhaust is also on camera. This is a Flowmaster Outlaw, by the way, I just put on with a tune. She's loud. She's definitely loud. So let's take it for a spin. She's a drag car, baby. Let's go. Great, love it. Doesn't restrict your vision at all. Still let your wind through. Already catching some little bugs and stuff that you might swallow on your ride. So yeah, man, I think that's gonna be a great little addition. I'll definitely hold on to this. Even after the modifications I'm going to be doing here soon, I believe I can still make this work. So there you have it. The Kemi Moto mesh windshield for the 2021 Polaris Ranger. Still not done here. Rad kit, baby. Still got to move that. But there you go, man, the mesh windshield. It's awesome. See right through it, no problems, no issues. Great little addition, great little piece to have. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and join the Facebook group Get It Out the Mud 901, and don't forget to check out Kemi Moto and all their line of products, side-by-sides, anything off-road. They got tons of stuff there, tons of apparel. Go check them out, KemiMoto.com. Also check them out on Amazon, and they have a Facebook page as well, Kemi Moto. Appreciate you for sending that little product. It's nice. I'll use it, definitely gonna use it. When I do, we'll put it in the next video, see how it really holds up. See how it really holds up. But as of right now, I'm loving that. That's nice. Get It Out the Mud 901, y'all. Appreciate you.